So if we want to be able to achieve this, we're going to head over to LM Arena over here. This is the spelling. So this website is to generate images. This is actually the website for Nano Banana. So this website is to generate the images that we're going to use for the transition. You understand? These you select and stuff like that. Now we have selected both the images that we're going to use. Note this is for actually, when you want to create faceless content. You understand? You don't want to use your face consistently. You don't have to start recording a video. All you just need to do is just replace your character, and that's it. Now copy this prompt. If you want to get the same results, copy this prompt, make use of this prompt, pause the video and copy the prompt. So we're going to be patient and wait and see what we can get from assistant A and assistant B. And like I said earlier, this is perfect for faceless content. You understand? I'm going to show you how you can turn these images to video. You understand? So this is the first result. It's not actually what I wanted. This assistant B didn't really deliver, and assistant A changed the color. I like the assistant A, but all we want is red. So what we're going to do is retry. Probably see what it can give us. Assistant A didn't comply to what we wanted, so we have to hit retry again. We have to hit retry again and another retry. Not what we want. This is not good. So I'm going to hit retry again. This is what we got again. You have to keep doing this till it's perfect, till you get exactly what you want. I think assistant A is good. Yeah, this one is actually good, but it's good. But I just want to retry. Yeah, I just want to try to see what it can give me. Okay. Assistant A still isn't delivering. Assistant B isn't delivering. Assistant A is trying though, but okay. Assistant A. It's not bad, but not what we want. But we're going to download it, in case we never know what if the next one is going to be better. So we're going to download it. Assistant E wants this. I'm not satisfied with this assistant E. Okay, this is nice. This is nice, but I need the color. I need the red color, so I need the red color. I'm going to retry. Retry. We have to keep retrying. We have to retry. Probably this might be the last one. The previous one gets good. Yeah, this is good. Okay, we're just gonna save this one and head over to Google and search for Flow.Google. Alright, this is just View Pro Max, View 3, sorry, View 3 Pro Max. This gives more cinematic effect to your videos that it generates. So you just have to click Creative Flow. Once you've had Creative Flow, and it's going to open up. Okay, now we have to get started. Once you get started, you click on the new project. Alright, now we have opened it. What we need to do next is we have to change it to frames to video, and once you've changed it to frames to video, what you need to do is to upload your image. Okay, now I already have mine here, so I just have to click on it. This is the first frame. Understand? You click on the frame picture. Now you have to generate what you want. This is not like Kling AI where you have to post on first frame and second frame pictures. This you just have to post on, type what you want. You can say use this image to generate a video where this character expresses himself as if he is recording a YouTube video. You can also choose, go for and say no subtitle, no sound if you want to actually do a voiceover. No sound, no subtitle, and also probably let it maintain the screen ratio. The screen ratio, yeah. So once you do that, you're going to get 2 samples to choose from, and definitely both are always good. So what you have to do now, you've changed your image to video. Now you have to play it. Click on it, and right, it's playing. You can see the expression. You can see everything about it. Notes, he is pure white. He's a white man. I would have added that in the prompt that he's dark or should be an African, but that doesn't matter. Just showing you stuff, so you can see how realistic it is. And there's something you should also note. If you try to do this with your image, with your own picture, it's not going to go through. Reason because I think Google are trying to limit the spread of fake people using people's identity to produce fake videos. You understand? Yeah, now we have to download it and upscale. You have to upscale the image video, and the upscaling process takes time. It takes time. So once you've upscaled the video, you can go ahead to download it. So you have to download it. Yeah. Okay. The download is just 7.4 MB. So this is it. We've downloaded it, so let's check it out. So we have to open. Okay, this is how it came out. This is how it came out. Look how realistic it is. Blended so well. So once you've gotten there, once you've downloaded everything, you can try and do another one. You understand? So let's try and do another one. Now what we have to do is to do the same thing we did. Make sure this our stock is an image, and select our image, upload our image. Note where we are at LM Arena, we're trying to custom create our avatar, our character that we're going to use. Now we have to search for it. So these are the two. We're going to match these two. We're going to bring the Mr. Robot inside our studio. So we're going to use the same. We're going to use this prompt. I'm going to say use this outfit and robotic head of the character in image 2 to replace the outfit of the character in image 1. Maintain the image ratio of the ratio of the image with the background. Once you've done that, we have to upload and sit back and relax. We're going to get two assistants, assistant A and assistant B. Yep, it's ready. But you don't always have the best results. You don't always get the best result at first trial. Always make up your mind that you're going to click retry multiple times if you're not satisfied with the result that you got. So you're going to hit on retry. Okay. So we have to be patient and see what assistant B can do for us. Okay, assistant A didn't do well. My face is still visible in assistant A, so they will definitely retry that. This is good. Assistant B did a good job. I think assistant B is better. Assistant B Assistant B's pictures are always very clear. Assistant B's images are really clear. Assistant A isn't actually doing anything. Okay, now we just have to go to Flow and work with what we got from LM Arena. Change the frames to video, fill the image. This is it. So you can choose landscape, you can also choose portrait. You understand? So you have to change it to portrait. Change to portrait so you can be able to yeah. So once you've done that, work with this prompt. Copy this prompt, pause it, copy the prompt, and do that. Okay, the video is out. Let's check it out. As you can see, he is holding his phone in his hand and recording this as a TikToker. This is because of the prompt I used. If you use a different format, it's going to give you a different format. So right now, if you want to learn how to create AI videos completely for free, you check my video on how to create AI generated videos using Google View 2, and in the video I'll show you how you can get access to free generation of AI videos. And that's everything you need to know about creating AI videos, just like this. So if you want to learn how to achieve this using Nano Banana, watch this video right up on your screen.